My experience of working with a global company, it had been really great. Given the opportunity that I'm working with different types of people from different culture, it has given me the opportunity to learn how to communicate with different types of people and also to communicate effectively.
SBM Offshore provides incredible support through mentorship, training programs, and also real-world projects. The company provides the opportunity or encourages me to be innovative and also be proactive, which are skills that I'm bringing to the table.
SBM supports my growth as a trainee in a sense that they provide me with hands-on experience. I get to learn from people that have been in the industry for so long, and I get to be exposed to so many different cultures. And yes, there's just so much to learn. You can never stop learning when you're in SBM.
So the way SBM supports my growth is through their onboarding program. So they have step-by-step trainings that I have to go through. So they already have standards on what I must do, what I must learn for me to be able to contribute to the company. And this is very great because I'm going through training that will help me improve my skills and personal growth. So yeah.
I think SBM is really doing its best to support my growth as a trainee. I'm learning so much regarding the project. I'm learning how to schedule the project. I'm also learning how to manage different people, different disciplines, and I'm also managing. And I think it's really enhancing my career growth and development, especially in oil and gas industry.
SBM supports my growth as a trainee in multiple different ways. Being here in Kuala Lumpur is one of them, by bringing me to an environment where I'm surrounded by world-class people in my field, world-class people in different fields, connecting me to other world-class people in other parts of the world, and putting me part of a network where they're easily accessible to me.